In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a client to your project within the system. This process is crucial for ensuring your clients are integrated effortlessly into the workflow, allowing for clear communication and collaboration. Let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to open the specific project where you intend to add the client. This ensures that you're working within the correct framework and that the client is aligned with the appropriate details of the project at hand. Once you have your project page open, look towards the top of the page for the Set Up People button or a similarly named option. Clicking this will guide you to the next phase of setting up your client's involvement. With the setup interface in front of you, you'll find yourself on a page dedicated to organizing the people involved in the project. Here, navigate to the tab specifically labeled Clients. This section is designed to help you manage and organize client access efficiently. It's where you'll make all changes related to the clients you want to add. The next step is to click on Add Clients. This action will either allow you to select existing people from the system or provide options to add new client users by entering their email addresses. Entering an email is a straightforward way to include new clients who may not yet exist in your database. This part of the process caters to the flexibility you need to accommodate different client scenarios. Once you've added your client or clients, there's an important detail to keep in mind. By default, everything you add to this project after the client is included will be private. This means only your internal team will be able to see it, unless you intentionally mark specific items as "Allow the client to see this too." This feature provides a secure level of privacy control, ensuring that sensitive information is shared only when necessary and with those who need access. Should there come a time when you need to update or change the client company associated with your project, you can easily make these adjustments through the same setup page used for adding clients. This handy feature offers ongoing flexibility, allowing you to manage client information efficiently as the project evolves. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well equipped to integrate clients into your project effectively, ensuring a seamless transition and a well-coordinated working environment. Whether you're onboarding new clients or adjusting current settings, maintaining clarity and organization in your setup will contribute significantly to your project's success. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our other instructional videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.